Hello everyone, I've got some new tools. And they're from Bosch. Now, I've been using Bosch Tools for years. So since moving into this workspace, my needs have changed. I need portable tools because I've got no power out here. Also, I can't leave tools out here. So I reached out to Bosch and they've sent me some of their battery operated machines. So what they've very kindly given me is the 18-volt table saw, miter saw, dust extractor, track saw, and I've got the 12-volt router. They've also given me some accessories. I've got a couple of 8 amp hour batteries, a couple of chargers, a 12 amp hour battery, a rip blade and a crosscut blade for the table saw, another blade for the miter saw, another blade for the track saw, some router bits, and yeah, I think that's everything. So what I thought I'd do in this video is just get everything unpacked, show you what I've got, and then you'll see it in use in upcoming videos. So I'm going to start with the table saw because that's what I'm most excited about. I've gone 6 months without one and it's been quite limiting. But next week I need to make the windows and the doors for this garden room. So the table saw is essential. So the first thing that impressed me is the packaging. It came in a plastic bag, but all the bits that would have been polystyrene a few years ago are cardboard. So not only is that better for the environment, it's so much easier to actually dispose of. Now it looks like it comes fully assembled. Just going to remove a strap, unlock this bit, and then there's one bit of cardboard to remove. So, one down. Now let's move on to the miter saw. So this also comes fully assembled, apart from the carry handle, which I guess is optional if you're never going to move it, but I'm going to stick it on, and it even comes with the Allen key to do it. Now this one did have some polystyrene in the box, but it's been out a few years longer than the saw, so I guess they're transitioning away from polystyrene on newer models, which is good to see. Now it comes with a couple of accessories, a hold down and a really nice dust bag, but I'm hoping I won't need to use that because of the next item. And the next item is the 18-volt vac or dust extractor. There's no point in having cordless tools unless you've got a vac to go with them, and you don't really want a corded one. So with that garden room I was using the miter saw outside and the dust was going everywhere. Same with the track saw, so this is going to be a game changer. So there's a bit more building to do on this one, but I think that's because a lot of these bits are optional. If you actually want to attach all the accessories to store bits, or you might not want the wheels on it, but I think I'm just going to stick everything on. It even has a shoulder strap. I think everyone's going to be wearing it this season. So next is the plunge saw. No cardboard this time, it's in a nice L box. Not much in here, just the saw and a dust bag, because I already have the 18-volt circular saw and a couple of bits of track and a connector. So not much to do with this one, but it's going to be super handy and it's going to be great now I've got this table to actually use to cut things on. So the last tool is this little 1/4" router which runs on the 12-volt batteries. Now I already have a couple of tools on that system. I've got the drill and the jigsaw, so this will fit in well. So to power these new tools, I've got the Pro Core batteries. The 12 amp hour is going to be great for the table saw, and then I've got a couple of 8 amp hour ones. One can go on the miter saw, one can go on the plunge saw, but they can all be interchanged obviously, and with 3 I should think I'll never run out of power. I've also got 2 chargers that look different. One has a power boost option on it, so I'm going to have to read the manual and see what that does. So there we go, a great selection of new tools. I know you're all jealous and I'm very sorry. So I'm not going to show you any more because, as I say, I'm going to start using them next week, so you'll see them in action, and then after I've used them for a bit, I'll give you some more detailed thoughts on them. So thank you very much, Bosch. Thanks for watching, thanks to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos.